MotoGP. This battle between Bastianini's got it, he's on the podium, but Fabio Quartararo is the 2021 MotoGP World Champion. Fantastic. 91 points at the top of the championship for the Saxon Ring. 10 races later, and Pecco Bagnaia will be crowned 2022 MotoGP World Champion. One of the greatest comebacks in Grand Prix racing is complete. The long wait is over. The inside of Bagnaia, he will not be close enough. And Pecco Bagnaia retains the MotoGP World Championship. Pecco Bagnaia is your 2023 MotoGP World Champion, and he does it in some style. He takes the victory. Grand Prix at Barcelona, but Jorge Martin is the 2024 MotoGP World Champion. A life months on from the commiserations and tears and last round despair in 2023. It's celebrations. First independent team ride to win the Premier Class title since Italian legend Valentino Rossi 23 years ago. What a moment, what a day for the Martinator and Prima Pramac Racing. A day he'll never forget, a season he will never forget. Jorge Martin. So we've had the Terminator, we've had the Martinator, as Judgment Day has been conquered by Jorge Martin. He lifts aloft the World Champion's helmet, the gold helmet after a golden season for Jorge Martin.